Hi everyone, this video is all about finding an object in an SAP, or I will say recognizing an object in an SAP. Now, object might be anything. It might be a T code, it might be a program name, but how do you really recognize them? That whether it is a T code or whether it is a program. What happens basically is in case of those T codes which we often use, we are aware. Let's say a T code F-02, we know it is used for making postings. FBL5N or FBL1N, we know we are trying to find out the open items. But in case there are certain new T codes, you join a new project and there are certain customized programs, there are certain customized T codes. So how you will really recognize that whether this is a T code or whether this is a program? So this video is all about that. It's a small video of just 2 more minutes, I will say 2 to 3 minutes, but just watch it till the end so that you will exactly get an idea whether it's a custom T code or it's a program and how to find about that. Let's move ahead and watch it in SAP. So here we are into SAP, and when we are into SAP, let's say FBL1N is the T code. We know what it is for. It is for checking out the open items of vendor. But if we don't know it, what we will do? We can also go to SE38. We'll start try to finding out whether it is a T code, whether it is a program name, and we will just try to put it over here. And we will, if we put it FBL1N over here, we know usually we know that okay, it's a T code. So but here in SE30 it will not show. So how to find it out basically? So SE84 is the T code. Go to SE84, then you go to edit object, and then in this column, in this space, you need to put in FBL1 in. Once you click it over here, at the top right hand side, you will find it's the T code, that's the transaction code. So this is how you need to find it out. You can find many other things from here, not only the T code. Let's say you have a program name, or you can just put in ME star and basically the process and PO for the customer one. So not only this, you can also find out many type of Z programs. You can also find out many type of body if any body is implemented there. So if you just click this and find it out, you will be able to find, hey, there is a body included over here. In the similar manner, you can find other Z programs as well. So this function is basically useful not only for I will say experienced people, but it is more useful for those who are just new entrant into SAPs. They are not able to identify what's a T code, what's a program name. Especially when you enter into a new project, there might be many such things which might be coming along your way. So make use of SE84. Remember this T code, and do subscribe and like to the channel. I will keep you posted with new developments as well. Have a great day ahead.